Now we are going to the question. Actually, what they are asking you, huh?
ঠান্ডা লাগছে আপনার?
No, no, no. Not me. It's my daughter. She is coughing.
Or the young one?
Yeah, my daughter Maliha. She is.
Or the youngest one?
No, no, the eldest one.
Oh,
She is also enjoying the class by
oh,
standing beside me.
very good.
That's why. Okay, look here, and now the
Yes, sir.
youngest one also came. Okay, now
So
look
what
here.
about the middle one?
Yeah, she's sleeping.
Ah,
Yeah,
yes,
then
sir.
the speed of the wind is 36 meter per second. Yeah,
Per second, huh?
and the speed of the aircraft is
250 meter per second.
250 meter per second. So here it's a big number, right?
Yes, sir.
Previously you got 7.5, 2.5. It was easy to draw with ruler. Now if you take 250 centimeter, then what will happen? It's big, right?
Yes, sir.
50 centimeter is big. So what you will do? You will make it shorter. How? Like your uh, 36, huh?
Yes, sir.
36 meter per second. If you consider this one as 2 centimeter, then
Hmm.
1 centimeter is how much? 18 meter per second, right?
Huh?
So
36 divided by 2.
if you divide now, if you divide now this 250, 250 by 18, then what is coming? Check.
250 by 18.
Yeah. Then how much it's coming? Check.
13.88, 13.9.
Yeah, 13.9. So this one we can consider as 13.9 centimeter, and
Okay.
this one we can consider as 2 centimeter. Okay.
2 centimeter.
So
Yes, sir.
now we will start our work. Here you write, left side you write the scaling first. Here, left side
কি
you
লিখবো,
write
sir?
1 centimeter is equal to 18 meter per second.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then 2 centimeter is
36 meter per second.
36 meter per second. This is our scaling, okay?
Yes,
Then
sir.
13.9, 13.9 centimeter, which is our 250, 250
Meter
meter
per
per
second.
second. Okay, so the scaling is done.
Yes, sir.
And now you will do another thing, the angle. For angle, you have the protector, right?
Yes, sir.
Look, first identify the angle between these two vectors. Like before, you see, if you take this part, hmm, if you just give this dotted parts a little bit extension, then uh, if it is 45 degree, then this lower part is also 45 degree, isn't it?
45. Yes, sir.
Then the upper part is 90 degree. Then 95, 90 plus 45, 135. So
Hmm.
the angle between these two vectors is 135 degree.
Okay.
You will use your protector to get this angle. It is very important. If your angle is not correct, then your resultant will not correct. Okay.
Correct. Okay, sir.
Now we are drawing here. How you'll
Yes,
draw?
sir.
This space is given for you. I think this
Yes, sir.
space, this right side space is enough for you to draw now 13.9 centimeter and 2 centimeter, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you draw this way, the way I'm showing you here. This one is 13.9. Take it 13.9. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then this one is your 2 centimeters. Then take the angle here 135. Okay. Then you
Yes,
complete
sir.
the here is your aircraft and here is your wing, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you complete the parallelogram this way. Okay. Then you get here complete parallelogram. Okay. Then your diagonal is between these two forces. Going to the last end. Use ruler, huh? This is your resultant, huh?
Okay.
This one is resultant and check what is the length of it. What is the length of this diagonal? Check.
The length to calculate karo possible na. Can calculate?
Yeah, this length can be calculated using your ruler. You draw the diagonal, you finish the parallelogram. You don't have the ruler,
No, sir. I don't have the ruler.
you forgot.
Sir, next class I will surely have it.
Okay. So if you don't have, then how can you do? You can guess, right?
Yes, sir.
You 13.9 you got. That one you label, huh? Here you label
Yeah.
13.9 and this one you label 2 centimeter. Then this one will be how much you check. Huh? I'm telling you, you just have a guess. Have a guess that how much it can be. Yeah, it should be 12.5 centimeter. Okay, how much it is?
12.5 centimeters. 12.5.
Yeah, it can be 12.6 for you, 12.5. There is a range, okay?
Okay.
So don't worry about that. 12.5 this one, huh? So if
Yes,
it
sir.
is 12.5, then in meter per second, what will be the value?
12.5 হলো স্যার মিটার পার সেকেন্ডে না?
Yeah, 1
স্যার
centimeter
আমি
is
এক সেকেন্ড
18.
স্যার আমি বের করে দিচ্ছি। এক সেকেন্ড।
Yeah,
আমি
yeah,
বের করতেছি।
okay.
টু 25।
Okay, 225. Then here you go. This part 2, huh? Resultant
Is
velocity,
it
right?
done?
Yeah, 225 meter per second.
Yes, sir.
How
মানে
you got
স্পিড ইকুয়ালস টু
225?
225 মিটার পার সেকেন্ড।
How you got 225 meter per second? Resultant velocity, how you got it? By multiplying with 12.5, 18,
ইনটু
right?
18। ইয়েস
That
স্যার।
one you write here.
কি
That
রুল
one
আছে না ওই রুল ফলো করছি স্যার ওই যে
yeah, you write it here. The calculation you write here. Otherwise, you'll forget. This space before resultant velocity, you write here. 12.5 multiplied by 18 equals 225.
ইয়েস স্যার।
So done.
Yes, sir. So the worksheet is done.
So,
Chapter 1 is done.
so what I want from you, you do one favor for me. You will completely do this worksheet, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then by Friday, huh? Today is
Hmm.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
By
Yes, sir.
Friday, you will send me through email. in PDF
কেমনে
format, the whole file.
স্যার আমি যদি ফোন থেকে তুলে পিডিএফ এ কনভার্ট করে আপনাকে পাঠাই সমস্যা আছে
No problem, no problem. In phone you can do it PDF.
হ্যাঁ মানে ওই তো বললাম ছবিগুলো
Yes,
যদি পিডিএফ করে
by scanning a single file. There is batch, right?
ইয়েস স্যার
Batch, PDF batch. So you take PDF batch, then send me through the email. No problem. So by
ওকে স্যার
Friday, please do it. It's for you only.
ইনশাআল্লাহ স্যার আই উইল
And try to do everything as much as possible correctly by using your ruler. Okay?
ওকে স্যার
The drawing especially, you use the ruler. Okay, this
ওকে স্যার
worksheet is done. Thank you so much for your patience and cooperation.
আরে না থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ফর ইওর পেশেন্স
Yeah, now we are starting our topic 2, inshallah. Okay,
ইয়েস স্যার
and don't
টপিক
forget
2 এর
that
নোট আছে আমার কাছে আল্লাহর রহমতে
the note is available with you, right?
হ্যাঁ
So note is with you writing. I think when you started with me last year during this time, that time we started in December, isn't it? Most probably
নভেম্বর স্যার
November, December, like that. Okay, so
হ্যাঁ
that time also we had a discussion on this, isn't it?
ইয়েস
So
স্যার
you know about uncertainty, you know about error, systematic error, random error, and
র্যান্ডম এরর
how to
তো
calculate.
সিস্টেমেটিক এরর হচ্ছে যেটা কনস্ট্যান্ট রিপিটেবল এরর মানে ওটা ওই ইনস্ট্রুমেন্টের ঝামেলার সাথে যেগুলি হয়
That one is systematic error, right?
সিস্টেমেটিক আর র্যান্ডম এরর যেটা আমার ঝামেলার কারণে হয়
Yeah, that is actually
র্যান্ডম এরর
uh, during human error, the mistakes are happening. That one is,
স্যার আমি না এখনো অ্যাকিউরেসি আর প্রিসিশনের ডিফারেন্সটা বুঝি না বুঝছেন আমরা একই লাগে দুটো
yeah, those are very close. But if you go
গেট
through the
অ্যাপার্ট
example, if you go through the example I gave about the basketball, that will be very closer, more understandable to you.
আর আপনি যদি
Like,
ইংলিশেও আসলে ধরেন দুইটাতে একই একটা আরেকটা সিনোনিম
yeah, yeah, they are like
না
synonyms.
সিনোনিম না আসলে সেক্ষেত্রে আমার মনে হয় কারণ অ্যাকিউরেট এক্সাম্পল মানে অ্যাকিউরেট তো একবারে আর প্রিসাইজ মানে কাছাকাছি
Okay, like I'm giving you again the same example. Like your basket,
আমরা
basket.
কি করতেছি এটা অ্যাড লিংক
I am attaching the files, attaching the files. For you, I am uploading the worksheets. Topic 2. You can see all my resources here, right?
হ্যাঁ
Are you
ও
seeing?
কত টেক্সট বুক এসএনএল তো ভালো ঠান্ডা লাগছে
Small children, they don't listen if they are going to take bath. They're taking long time. So are you seeing?
না স্যার আসে না এখন 21টা পেজ এটা দেখতেছি yes sir I can see it now yes sir
This is worksheet, huh?
okay sir
And this is notes. This notes I sent you, right?
yes sir
So I'm opening two tabs so that anytime I need, I can switch. Yeah?
sure sir
So look here, we have we have here the notes. Huh? Uh,
yes sir
you already wrote it on your copy, right? This
হ্যাঁ
notes.
হ্যাঁ I already wrote it yes sir
So
স্যার এইটা কি বইতে আছে
now
এই নোটটা এই চ্যাপ্টারটা
this note is available, but in book it's not like that. The way I organized in book, you will get lots of things. Like here, I gave only 10 pages, and this 10 pages is half of the A4 sheet, right?
হ্যাঁ
So it's actually 5 pages, my writing. If you think about the book, letters or font, it's only 2 pages of the book, 2 or 3 pages maximum, isn't it?
yes
But
sir
but in your book, you'll get in many pages, around 10 to 15 pages, and there are
yes
lots
sir
of things you don't need. So it's better to have it by your own. Here, okay, you're writing. Is it clear now?
yes sir
Accuracy and precision. Accuracy and precision, you have some doubts. I'm giving here one example. The example already written here, huh? Real life example. Real life example, you see. Can you read it?
স্যার আমি আমার খাতা থেকে পড়ি স্যার is it a problem will it be a problem
Yeah, sure. You can read it from there.
if the player shoots with accuracy his aim will always take the ball close to or into the basket
So this one is saying that the player is exactly throwing the ball in the place where it should be going, right?
yes sir
So this is
great
accuracy. So he's
yes
accurately throwing the ball to the right place or correct place.
hmm.
But this player, can you read the second part?
Yes, sir. If the player shoots with precision, his aim will always take the ball to the same location, which may or may not be closer to the basket.
Now, maybe he is throwing the ball in a way that always it's going to the same place.
Yes,
Like
sir.
it's there is a place beside the basket. That one is the wooden square size thing, like where the basket is
হ্যাঁ বুঝছি
fixed.
স্যার
Yes. So uh, in that place, he's going the same place. 10 times he threw it, and 10 times he's going there, but it's not going into the basket. So
yes sir
his throwing is precise, but it's not accurate. Is it clear?
yes sir
Okay. Now, uh, if the third one is saying a good player will be both accurate and precise by
and
shooting the
precise.
ball the same way in each time, and each time making it in the basket. That means
Basket, yes,
if
sir.
he is throwing it into the basket 10 times and it's going exactly to the basket 10 times, then it is precise and also it is accurate.
Okay, yes, sir.
So now it's clear to you,
Yes, sir.
precision and accuracy. Okay, now
মানে
we have,
অ্যাকুরেসিটা আসলে অ্যাকুরেট জায়গায় নিবে বলটাকে, আর
yes,
প্রিসিশনটা কাছে বা ভিতরে নিবে।
yeah, precision means he is reading or he's throwing is
মানে
in the
প্রিসিশনের
same
স্যার একটা
place.
আনসার্টেনটি থাকা যাবে।
Yes, there is uncertainty. Now
আর
uh,
অ্যাকুরেসিতে ওইটা থাকবে না।
uncertainty. Now uncertainty.
ইয়েস স্যার।
uh, just now we did one drawing scale diagram, right?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
and
ইয়েস স্যার।
and you got your answer 225.
হুম,
And when you are drawing, you are uh, when you are drawing it, that time you are drawing as much as possible correctly,
ইয়েস স্যার,
isn't it?
দ্যাট ওয়াজ প্রিসিশন।
Yeah, as much as possible you try to do it correct. And your reading is now 225, but it's not exact.
এক্স্যাক্টলি, আমি যদি স্কেল দিয়ে করতাম দ্যাট
Yeah,
উড হ্যাভ বিন অ্যাকুরেট।
even after scale you are doing, it will not be, not maybe not possible to be exact. Like it there might be some errors, right? There might be
হ্যাঁ,
some uncertainty, like there might be some problem with angles, there might be some problem with the measuring lengths, there might be some problem with the significant figures, right? You are taking the
ইয়েস স্যার।
significant figures, there might be some problem. So because of this, uh, there is a range given, from the Cambridge assessment. They gave one range of the values. They gave from 220 to 240. How much they
ওটা
gave?
স্যার ক্যামব্রিজের লোক কয়জন টোটাল, মানে এক্সামিনার কয়জন?
Cambridge examiner exactly now I can't say. Uh, there are many. There are many. Like for us, we can say that one. Uh, the way we are checking papers for P, this is P6 papers. For
স্যার আপনাদেরকে কি
IGCC.
ডাকে ক্যামব্রিজে, মানে যাওয়া লাগে?
We do not need to go for online checking. We do not need to go, but they who are checking offline hard copy, they have to go.
হ্যাঁ,
They have to go to the Cambridge for training.
আপনাদের হার্ড কপি দেন না কেন স্যার?
Hard copy gives actually for the people who are staying, especially in UK, in the UK.
আচ্ছা,
So and the number of candidates are also few, not that much. Okay,
ইয়েস স্যার।
so this is happening only for the people in the UK who can check the hard copy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, even
Sir, are we going to take a break today, or we will do the class?
you
Continue
are
the class.
going to take break today, but it is after 40 minutes of the class. Okay,
Okay, sir.
because you started late, after 5 minutes you started, so we will have the break 9:45.
Okay, sure, sir. No
Okay,
problem.
now you check this one, that uncertainty. I was talking about uncertainty. You got 225,
Yes.
isn't it? But there
Yes,
is
sir.
a range which the examiners are accepting, that is from 220 to 240, for example. Okay,
এত
or
বড় রেঞ্জ দেয়?
or 220 to 230. The range is given because learners they have some uncertainty in their taking readings, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So and measurements. So this is called uncertainty. You see, the definition is given: the total range of values within which the measurement is likely to lie is known as its uncertainty.
Okay.
So this range, the 220 to 230, this range, it is called uncertainty. Okay, your
Yes, sir.
value is 225. That is accurate value. More accurate is 226. If it is 226, it's much more exact. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So you got that now, what is called uncertainty, and the sources of uncertainty. You see, I wrote here some sources. Even if there is no error, like you don't have any systematic error, you don't have any random error in the
Mhm.
measurement, there is always some doubts or uncertainty in its value. Okay,
Can you?
whatever you are measuring, there might be some doubts. Okay, that is uncertainty. So
Okay.
another one is mentioned here. It is important to understand when writing down measurement, the number of significant figures of the measurement indicates its uncertainty. Like in calculator, when you are dividing or multiplying the values, you are calculating. That time you are getting the decimal points. Maybe you are getting 2.33 10 times, isn't it? Or you are
Yes, sir.
getting 2.4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This way you are getting after three digits, you are getting many other digits, isn't it? But when
Yes, sir.
you are writing only two or three significant figures. But there are some more values, isn't it? Which
Yes,
you
sir.
omitted. So those are also sources of uncertainties. Okay. So when we are writing in significant figures, a particular significant figures, we are shortening the number, isn't it?
Yes,
And
sir.
because of this shortening, there is also some uncertainty. Is it clear now? Okay, now we have another important thing. You wrote this, right?
Yes, sir.
Examples,
সবই লেখা আছে।
instrument, uncertainty, and you are really great. Mashallah, you are doing beyond my imagination.
আহ,
Okay, look here. Instrument, uncertainty, and typical reading.
টিপিক্যাল
So,
রিডিং বলতে কি বোঝাচ্ছে?
typical reading means like your ruler, you have scaling there. You are given a task that you have to find the length of the eraser. Your eraser
হুম,
length you have to measure. So you got the length of your eraser is 3.4 centimeter. How much you got?
yes, sir. 3.4.
Or 2.3 centimeter, whatever. So 2.3 centimeter you got, that is your typical reading. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And instrument, that instrument, the ruler you are using, that the smallest value of your length is 1 millimeter, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
1 millimeter means 0.1 centimeter. That means the accuracy level is till 0.1.
Sir, would you mind if I hold a phone, receive a call?
It's very important.
ও স্যার মানে kind of family member.
Kind of family member. Okay, wait for a
হ্যাঁ,
while. Just a second.
sure,
Wait.
sir.
I have
Yes,
to.
sir.
I have to then do some
Stop the
work
recording.
here. Yeah.
Or
Wait.
I can
Just
mute the scene.
wait. Just have a minute, huh? Just wait for a while. Yeah. Okay. Now look here. We have 0.1 centimeter, the lowest value you can measure accurately with your ruler, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That one is uh, written here. Look, the stopwatch, thermometer,
I have written, sir,
ammeter.
stopwatch with
Yeah,
0.2 s
so
reading.
these are written. I am giving you example that ruler one, that is 0.1 centimeter, right?
Hmm.
Like
Yes, sir.
that, this stopwatch they are using, it has 0.2 second. That is
2 centimeter.
minimum value it can measure. Then thermometer can measure 1 degree. Then ammeter can measure 0.1 amperes. Now,
Amperes.
while they are writing the uncertainty, they are writing plus minus 0.16. Like your ruler, the one I gave you example, when you are taking reading 2.3 centimeter of the length of eraser, that time you give here plus minus 0.1 centimeter. How much? Plus minus
Last one is 0.1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. That is your uncertainty. But if you are taking the reading three times, like the eraser, different sides, you are taking the length again and again. Okay. How many times? Three times.
Three
And
times.
after that, you are taking the, once you got 2.3, another time you got 2.3, another time you got 2.2.
2.2. 2.2
Okay.
answer.
Okay.
So we can do the average then.
Then you are taking average, then it's coming 2.3, right?
Yes, sir.
So your average you got, that time your uncertainty will be not 0.1, it will be 0.05.
Okay.
That one is done here. Look here, stopwatch, the minimum value is 0.2, but they gave you an uncertainty half of 0.2 because they took the average. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So uh, average value comes if yeah, the uncertainty becomes half of the smallest value if we are taking average. Is it clear? So you take this note here, beside your writing, you write here average for average reading. This is uncertainty.
The average reading is uncertainty.
No, no, I am saying if here is value written, it is for average reading. This
Acha.
uncertainty. If it is not average, then it will be 0.2, it will be 0. This will be 1 and this will be 0.1. Is it clear?
Acha.
Are you seeing the
Yes,
screen
sir.
what I am showing?
Yes, sir.
Like if you are not taking average, this uncertainty will be 0.2
আচ্ছা, ওকে। কেন স্যার এটা 0.2 হবে?
because the smallest value is 0.2 here
ওকে,
in the scale. And here you got thermometer of 1 degree Celsius, so you wrote here 0.5 because you took the average. If you take
হুম,
only one reading, that time you should write here plus minus 1 degree.
1 ডিগ্রি, ওকে।
If you
ও,
are taking
যেহেতু অনেকগুলি ডিগ্রি নেওয়া হয়েছে সেক্ষেত্রে এটা 0.
yes, yes, then uncertainty will become half if you are taking average
ওকে,
reading. This note I
ওকে
am
স্যার।
saying you to take here, that this uncertainty you are getting for average, and this value for a single reading. Left side you write for a single reading.
Yes, sir.
So it is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Okay, very good. If it is clear, then you did a great job. Now uncertainty types. There are two types of uncertainties. One is absolute uncertainty, another one is relative
Relative
or,
uncertainty.
or fractional uncertainty. How it comes? Like the reading you got before. Here you got 16.2,
Yes,
then
sir.
you got uncertainty plus minus 0.1. So your absolute uncertainty is this 0.1. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
And your fractional uncertainty will be 0.1 divided by 16.2. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Sir, you are
Your
clear, na, sir? I got it to volume, sir.
Yes, I am repeating. Your absolute uncertainty will be only this one, 0.1.
Hmm.
Okay, but your fractional uncertainty will be 0.1 divided by 16.2.
Can you?
That is fractional. You are taking the fraction of
Sir,
uncertainty.
when answer के शुरू reference same ही आसबे.
No, no. One is absolute uncertainty. Another one is fractional uncertainty. Answer is different. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Look here. We did here another example like this one. Your measured value is 46 and your absolute uncertainty is 0.5.
Okay.
Okay, that is plus minus 0.5. That is your absolute uncertainty. Now,
Uncertainty.
fractional uncertainty or relative uncertainty is 0.5 divided by 46. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and if you are multiplying with 100, then it's the same thing. The fractional uncertainty is coming as percentage uncertainty.
Yes, sir.
So relative uncertainty, fractional uncertainty, and percentage uncertainty are same thing.
Okay.
Okay, and absolute uncertainty also known as actual uncertainty. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So uncertainty types you are clear. Two types of
Then
uncertainty.
uncertainty calculations.
One is absolute uncertainty. Another one is relative or fractional
Relative or
uncertainty.
fractional uncertainty.
Okay, that's for the time being. We are stopping here. After 10 minutes, you join. Okay.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.